You apply for a job, HR person will do background verification. So what are the rights of the employee in India? Have you ever been rejected from a job due to negative background verification reports? Do you know your legal rights in India regarding background checks? Today, we will break it all down from employer obligations to your rights as a candidate. Let's get started. What is background verification? Background verification is a crucial step in hiring where employers check your past employment, they will check your education background, they will check your criminal records and the credit history. So in India, companies often hire third-party agencies for this process. Many companies often hire third-party agencies for this process. What are the types of background verification? Employment verification, education verification, criminal record verification, credit score verification, and social media check. In employment verification, third party will see past job history. In education verification, the employer will see your academic records. In criminal record check, legal cases will be checked as per NCRT. Credit scores checks for financial roles with the job related to financial. Then they will see credit score check. Social media check, some companies monitor online activity. What are the legal provisions? Legal backup. Indian Contract Act 1872, Employer-Employee Agreements, Information Technology Act 2000, Data Privacy Concerns, Article 21 of Constitution of India, Right to Privacy. These are the legal provisions available in India. Reasons for negative background check. Why the result will be negative? Who will get negative result? Who will get negative report? Because some candidates they will give exaggerated qualifications, they will give fake qualifications. Few candidates do that. Don't do that, my suggestion, because you will get negative report. And unverified previous employment details, just they will copy paste in the resume and send it. No, don't do that. Because it may leads to wrong details. Pending criminal cases, that will give negative report. And financial irregularities for financial jobs will give negative report. Employment gaps without there is a gap between one employment to other employment. Give a proper justification to convince the person, to convince the employer. Important to note that even minor discrepancies can lead to, see, because you may think it is a minor discrepancy, but minor discrepancies can lead to red flag. Always be honest. This is the most important. Be honest in your resume and job applications. Minor discrepancies can lead to red flag. Legal rights of employees against negative background. Your legal rights in India. Right to fair background checks. As per IT Act 2000 and Supreme Court rulings, background checks must be lawful and cannot breach your right to privacy. Right to be informed. Employers must notify candidate before conducting background check. Take consent. And your legal rights in India as a candidate, right to rectify your errors. If incorrect information appears in your background verification report, you can ask for corrections from agency or employer. You can demand for corrections. Right to consent. You have a right to give consent, right to privacy. Article 21. You must give consent before any verification is conducted. These are the legal rights in India in view of the candidate. Your legal rights in India, right to challenge, right to appeal if rejected due to negative background. You can challenge the report. If you are strong, if you are confident, you can challenge the report and provide supporting evidence. What are the legal provisions supporting employee rights? The legal provisions supporting employee rights are Personal Data Protection Bill 2019, protection of personal data. Equal Remuneration Act 1976, no discrimination based on false BGV. Industrial Dispute Act 1947, legal recourse for wrongful job denial. How to handle? You have a rights, but how to handle? Negative background report. What are the steps? Step 1, request a copy of the report. Step 2, identify your errors and collect evidence to dispute incorrect details. You should have evidence. Then contact HR. Speak to them and formally explain any discrepancies. If HR does not respond, then escalate through legal channel. Consult your lawyer for legal remedies. Employer responsibilities in background checks. Employers must follow the rules. Companies must follow these rules. Conduct lawful and ethical background verification. Obtain written consent from the candidate before going for background verification. Give him a chance or give her a chance for clarification before rejecting. Ensure compliance with Indian labor laws and privacy laws. These are the employer responsibilities in background verification checks. What are the liabilities for false BGV reports, background verification reports? If it is a false report generating the defamation case, there is a chance if false information harms an employee's reputation. Legal action under IT Act 2000 and Indian Penal Code. So now you know your rights as a candidate. If faced with a negative background verification report, always verify your information. Communicate with HR. Speak to HR. If required, take legal recourse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal insights. We have two channels, RR Corporates and RR Legal Talks. Subscribe to RR Corporates and subscribe to RR Legal Talks. Hit the bell icon for updates. Thank you.